Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 14 by 14 canvas and I'm going to be doing another paint kiss pour, but this time apparently there's a new spin on it and it's called the Soulmate kiss pour. So as you can see, I've got the colors in the cup. It's just two colors and then you put them in the cup side by side and then you're going to pour like that. So the colors that I'm using today are Crimson Red from the Fine Touch and Yellow Medium also from the Fine Touch. My paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium and I got a bubble there, and I made them last night and they thickened up a little, so I just added a little bit of water to just thin them up just a bit. So I'm all ready and we're going to go ahead and give this one a try. Alright, so here we go. Alright, we're going to go in for the close-up. This was the Soulmate Kiss Pour, which is a different take on the Paint Kiss Pour. And it turned out really cool. I actually got it to be centered pretty good, so I do kind of like that. And colors look really good. So I'm pretty happy with this one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in the description, and have a great day.